The Q1 was a strong quarter for the major wires and cables players with robust demand supporting both top line and profitability of the major wires and cables players. Starting with Polycab, Polycab revenue grew by approximately 39% and EBITDA and PAT has also increased to 32.5% and 32.4% respectively. RR Cable has emerged as the strongest performer with revenue growth of 54%, which is followed by Finolex Cables with revenue growth of 44%. And if we talk about the management commentary of the major wires and cables players in the quarter gone by with on the outlook, Polycab remains highly constructive on the multi-year power infrastructure cycle and has reiterated its FMEG growth guidance of 1.5 to 2 times industry growth along with 9 to 10% EBITDA margin target. KEI export to recover through FY27 as Middle East shipments have resumed and US market has reopened. And importantly, the company has raised its FY27 margin guidance from 10.5 to 11% to 11 to 12%. RR Cable expect that the Middle East exports normalize during the May and June, and Finolex Cable expect margin to improve as a higher cost input costs are passed through. And if we compare with the Q1 actual top line with the consensus and the FY27 guidance, then for Polycab Q1 revenue stood at 8,210 crore against a full year consensus estimate of 36,109 crore and management guidance of 34,650 crore. So Polycab has delivered a 24% of its full year guidance in the Q1 of FY27 itself only, and KEI has also achieved 22% of its full year guidance. And however, one important point is that second half is generally a strong second half for the major wires and cable players. And coming to valuation, then Polycab is trading at a valuation of 39.5 times on a one year average forward P compared to its five-year average of 37.7 times, and KEI is at 43.1 times. So most of the stocks are trading at a premium valuation as compared to the historic average. And lastly, if we talk about the analyst view on the wires and cables stocks, then Polycab has 25 buy call, 8 hold and 1 sell rating with around 11% return potential. So overall, the wires and cable sector continues to benefit from the strong power infrastructure, capex and export demand, but valuation remain a key important factor to watch out for the wires and cable players.